Welcome home. I am really excited to show you this very special property in Pine Ridge Estates. This house has been completely updated. It was built in 1993, but you'll see it feels much more like a brand new constructed home. Lots of really special features in this house that you're not going to find in a lot of other homes. So we're going to look around. I'm going to point out to you all the things that are really important and see what you think. So right off the bat, you see in this beautiful foyer, it's actually separated from the rest of the house, although the house does have a very open flow and open concept, and you've got this neat decorative wall and mirrors and planter here. So it really lets you do some neat things with your decor. Opens right up into the main living area. Electric fireplace there, plenty of room for a nice large TV, as you can see, and it's just got a lot of space to move around. We've got this beautiful ceramic plank tile flooring, and then a renovated kitchen. So absolutely gorgeous, very classic with the sparkling quartz countertops, this amazing porcelain sink, huge, one basin, which I think is the way to go anymore, and the cabinets are fully stocked. We've got some pull-outs here in the island, pantry spaces there, very, very well appointed kitchen. Lazy Susan in the corner, I like that. And this is a very nice upgrade to have the actual quartz countertops as the backsplash as well. So gorgeous kitchen. We flow through into the dining room, and this is a nice formal dining room. We've got the fireplace here. I believe that's an electric insert there. And then look at this bay window. Lots of natural light. And what I want you to notice about these windows is these were completely redone throughout this entire house in 2025. So this is very energy efficient. Again, very much like you would have with new construction being brand new. And so here also notice we have the rounded corners, bullnose corners. And I think that's just a nice touch. It's an upgrade to have those rounded corners. Builders, I think, don't like to do it because it's a little extra work and, extra expense, but it looks really good. Primary suite, updated windows. They are tilt function, so when you do clean them, that is very easy to do. And look at this vaulted ceiling, this cathedral ceiling in this master suite. It really makes the primary bedroom feel very spacious. We've got a couple of closets here, both walk-in closets, and they've got the built-in closet systems, and then this amazing bathroom. So your focal piece is this large jetted tub. It's got that beautiful mood lighting underneath, and you've got shelving deco shelves, a good shower here with nice double shower heads, and of course 2 sinks, lots of cabinetry, and the toilet's tucked back there in the corner. So again, very nice, nicely appointed, well-used spaces in this house. You're probably seeing the pool through the sliders. So we have pool access here. We've got a mini kitchen right there as well. And there's a lot of outdoor living space in this house. So if I didn't mention it already, it's about 3,000 square feet, a little over 3,000 square feet total. We've got 4 bedrooms and 2 full bathrooms. We're gonna go to the guest wing of the house. Starts off with 2 bedrooms right here. And look at that window seat. How fun is that? I love that for reading a book, doing your homework, whatever it might be. A very nicely put together closet here in this bedroom. And the tray ceiling. It's got extra molding on it, so really nicely done. This is another vaulted ceiling, so you've got the volume there. And then a nice closet as well. So we'll continue on down the hall, and you're probably noticing light fixtures brand new also, And this is our pool bath and our guest bath. So this is a tub shower combo. It's still got the 2 sinks. We've still got that same quartz countertop. We've got a couple of closets in this bathroom, so that's fantastic. You normally don't get enough linen storage in this house. We have 2 in the guest bathroom. So, and actually really handy too, being right there by the pool. I can see that second closet being your towels and all your pool accessories. So another closet there. And then this is the 3rd of the guest bedrooms, or an office, as you can see, and it's got sliders as well. These sliders also pocket all the way back, so there's a lot of ability to have this house have that indoor-outdoor flow. Vaulted ceiling again in this room. I mean, you've got these cathedral ceilings throughout. It's really fantastic. So check this one out. That same cathedral ceiling, and then we've got another window seat there and a nice closet in this room as well. The lights and the fans have double switches here, so you can very easily operate those without having to fuss with pulling chains or anything like that. And let's go ahead and we'll go out to the pool. And you see here we've got the nice built-in blinds there on those, the French door. And you'll also notice that all of these exterior doors are tinted. So when the sun is beaming down on us, you're not getting all that, that heat into the house. It's blocking some of that sun exposure. So look at this awesome pool. Really fun pool. It is heated. We've got the spa there with the waterfall. Nice little ledge as well. That's a great place to sit. You jump in the pool during these hot days and just sit on that ledge and relax and have your cocktail. And then this is the bonus space. Imagine all the things you could do in this space. This could be a game room for entertaining friends. This could be a gym. It was previously set up as a gym. There's so many things you could do in here and really make this a space that is an extension of the house. So again, I think this is a great place to entertain. Now this area, another bump out area off of this pool deck, that in my mind, this is perfect for sunbathing. Plenty of space, put a couple of chase lounges here, hop in the pool, get out of the pool, lay here, get your your nice tan going, and just soak in the sun. So we have not actually seen the whole house yet, but I am being drawn into the back, and it's because there are horses and a horse barn. Now the beauty of this is, if you're not familiar with Pine Ridge, this is an equestrian community, so you do often see horses and barns and things like that. This barn is the neighbor's property. So you are not responsible for taking care of those horses, and yet you can look right outside of your house straight to this barn, and in the morning drink your coffee, listen to the horses neighing, watch them grazing on their grass. How fun. Don't have the responsibility, but you get the enjoyment of them. So this is your extra. You've got a great carport that works beautifully for a motorhome, a camper, a horse trailer, if that happens to be what you have, a boat, all sorts of things, right? So that's a nice covered area. It's got the stone foundation. And then check out this detached garage. This is 1,200 square feet, 30 by 40, very tall, a very tall double bays. So very easy to get your equipment or your vehicles in and out. And look at this extra loft area. Storage galore. You've got lights in here. Everything you need to really function well. There's a sink here. So this is a fantastic space to keep all your toys and all your important items in an extra paved area. Pull right in from the driveway through that gate, straight back to your garage. And then here's another patio. A very good place for the grill, for maybe another dining table, whatever type of setup you want to have out here. There's so much to enjoy on this property. It's fantastic. So hopefully you're getting a good feel for how you might enjoy living on the nature coast if you bought this house. All the work's been done for you. Beautifully tiled patio here. We've got an amazing outdoor kitchen, lots of outlets. So you've got plenty of places to plug in lights when you're maybe doing the holiday decorations and those sorts of things. And then if we walk around this way, we've got an incredible laundry room. Again, with the quartz countertop, the huge laundry tub here. You don't normally see that in a laundry room. You've got an extra pop-up. I'm assuming that's a, I'm not sure, I think it is actually. Lots of storage and stackable washer and dryer with extra space where you could do maybe even some standing racks, or if you don't want stackable, certainly you have plenty of space to spread that washer and dryer out as well. Nice cabinet here. It can stay very organized. Alarm system. You might have noticed when we were out back that there is a sprinkler system. This is the attached garage. It does have a little bonus room here. And this bonus room is incorporated into the house itself, keeps it a little bit cooler, and intercom in here. I don't know if that works. But because of this little bonus area, this is not a full 2-car garage. So it's got a nice epoxy floor. You could use this for, you've got that big garage back there, so you probably could use it similarly to how it's set up here instead of using it as a garage. But it also could be storage, golf cart, car, a lot you can do with this as well. And it's nice, it's a side entry. So when you do have that garage door open and people are driving by, they aren't seeing into your garage. So this is quite the property. It is an acre of land. There is a vacant parcel to the left of it if you're looking for more than 1 acre, but this house is ready for you. It has a lot of really amazing features. So if this looks like something you'd be interested in, please do not delay. Please give me a call. I'm Ruth Squires with RES Luxury Group of eXp Realty. And at RES Luxury Group, we bring you white glove service and red carpet treatment because your satisfaction is our guarantee. Give us a call at 352-794-1426. We can't wait to show you this house in person. Talk to you soon.